What's really going on, Pez collecting fans? Josh the Pez Guy here on the Pez Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Charisse, Cherry, Kershey. Now then. So I was going through a bunch of Euro carded stuff, and I decided to put a bunch of like items together to see if I could find some differences. And you better believe it, when I put these three icy bears together, I found some major differences. Let me show them to you. Each one of the back of the cards are different, mainly in this area. Like so. But when we look at things like this, right there, see where it was imported to? Montreal, Canada. Yes, Canada. Via Quebec. So that may be why this is in French right here. What is it? Japanese down there? I'm not sure. And then we look at this one here. This was imported also to Canada. See that? Montreal. But this one here, Canada as well. Yeah. But different printing on them. So there were at least 3 runs of these icy bears. So when we look at the heads, we have a really white one, and one that's almost all cream, and then one with a, almost tan snout, and an extremely, I'd say, just as white as the stem. It doesn't look it here, but it's a little off-white actually, but let me compare it. So these are the 3 that I found. White, off-white, tan-like snout. All right, let's answer the question. No country of origin. Let's check out this one. Ooh, there's a country of origin. Sorry, I have to use my good eye. Is this Austria? Yes, made in Austria. And then the white one here, oh, you can see that really good there, made in Hungary. Huh. That's pretty neat. See if we can see an IMC on this one at all. I think it's blocked by the candy. Yeah, it's blocked by the candy there. Using my good eye, I still can't see it. But this is what we know. There are 3 different ones. And these are all on card. So you cannot argue what I have in front of me. This is old stuff, too. So until next time.